My name is Jun Kwon, and I'm 18 years old from South Korea. When I made the timber walls, when I was a kid, I really wanted to build my own house with timber. So it was a good experience, and I would like to use this experience to build my own house in Korea. He's my man. I love him. I love his education style. Every time we do some big projects, he always tells us tips on how to use this tool better. I've learned a lot of words like construction words, so like I can talk with Aussies. I think how to use timber better, like to cut timbers and to measure timbers, and how to use the nail guns better. When I was in Korea, I used the nail guns a few times. When I nail it, it comes out of the timber. It's so bad, but after Josh taught me like how to use the nail gun, I got better. The atmosphere is so good. Lots of tools, and the place is so big. You can do everything. There was like lots of tools that I haven't seen in Korea. Oh yeah, I love the weather. Ocean color was like so good. I like take pictures of sceneries. My phone's full of pictures. I can't take any more. If it's possible, I would love to come back to Everthought and study again. I really loved it.